Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Mrs. B's Simple Cooking. Today, we are going to enjoy some simple Rice Krispy Treats. So, everybody knows this brand of cereal, and you can use the off brand too. And what you're going to need is a pot, all right? We're going to have it on medium to low, and you're going to need 6 cups of the Rice Krispie. So that's going to actually leave you with half of a box. Okay, so you can make it again, put it up, or just use it for cereal. You can use marshmallow puff, but Mr. B's recommending actual marshmallows. So we're going to go ahead and use half a bag of each of the small and the large. Okay, but you can use this to save some time. And then a couple tablespoons of butter. That's all it takes. And we're going to line our uh, 9 by 13 pan with some wax paper to help with it. So I'm going to start off with putting my butter in. And then I'm going to let that heat up. Okay, so it is pretty much melted. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our marshmallows. We're going to let those melt. Half a bag. And I'm doing miniature ones too. You can do colorful ones if you want. You can even do, instead of Rice Krispies, you can do Fruit Loops or graham crackers with some chocolate chips. I might make that one. Not even graham crackers, that graham cereal. So, half a bag. We got some left over for hot cocoa. So we're going to just let that start to melt and keeping a close eye on it, okay? You don't want to burn your marshmallows. See? And they're just going to gradually melt. Look at that. And it's probably best to use a wooden spoon. And so while this is melting, what we're going to go ahead and do is take some spray and we're going to spray our 9 by 13 pan just a little bit. And because this is something we're going to eat right out of the container, it's not going to be baked, I'm just going to wipe it in a little bit, make sure it gets everywhere, but it's not saturated, okay? And then you take your wax paper and you're going to put your wax paper inside like so, okay? So just straighten it out while you're keeping an eye on that. So stay close to the oven. And the spray helps the paper stay down. Okay, so we'll set that aside. And we're going to mix it up a little bit more. Oh, look at this. Can you guys see that? Oh, it smells so good. And we're just going to let it keep melting. Mm. Okay, so it's continue to melt. Okay, and now it's halfway melted. So while it's halfway melted, I'm going to go ahead and mix in my 6 cups. That's a 4-cup measuring cup. So I have 2 more coming. I'm going to mix it in there. While it's on the stove, just mix it in there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. see that? Do you see how it's coming along? Again, we're just about there, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think that'd be good. I want to leave some marshmallows whole. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take my pan and take the melted everything, Rice Krispie, butter, and I'm just going to dump it into the 9 by 13. It's hot. Be careful. Dump it in there. Okay, like so. It's sticky. You're going to want to soak your pan ASAP, and then you just spread it around. These are going to be nice and thick. And then you take your paper, kind of smush it. Let it settle. Like that. All right. And then you're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a couple hours. It's good for up to a couple days. All right. And you just cut as much as you need. Enjoy. And you'll have sticky fingers. Bye.